They know my story.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna do a small passion twist on my client. As you can see, she does have this very curly hair, and I'm beginning to basically I stopped using the other kind of hair crunchy for my clients. So I love using this one. It's silky, and I use it because it just helps protect my client's hair, because if you use the other one that's just like rubber band, it could just tangle your client's hair when you're trying to brush your client's hair, and it could just have the hair stuck in it. So it's a hassle to unravel that or fixing it. But using this crunchy does help a lot. It's silky, it's easier to it's just easier to use basically, and it's even safer for my client's hair. So first, for the passion twist, we're going to be doing color 4. Color 4 is a perfect match for my client's natural hair. She wanted something that can match her hair, so we just we had a long chat, and we had to conclude with color 4, and we're going to be doing a small size passion twist. And for this passion twist, I used the water wave, the free stretch water wave hair, 22 inches, and I used about, I want to say 7. I always say get extra. When somebody tell you they use 6, 7, whatever, just get extra. So if they say they use 6, get 7. If they use 7, get 8, or get 8. If they use 8, get 9 or 10. Just try to get. It's better for you to have more than enough than for you to run out of hair when you have a client or when you're doing your own hair particularly. So right now I'm just cleaning my client's parts. So for this part of the hair, even though we're doing a size small, I'm not gonna make it small just because I like working with my client's hair texture. Her texture is pretty soft, and I do hear some clients when people saying that when they have curly hair or fine hair or silky hair, that their passion twists don't last them as long, or their natural hairstyles don't last them as long. So basically I want the foundation to have I want it to be a very sound and solid foundation. So for this one, even though I'm meant to do 5, I'm only gonna do 4 because I want it to be safe. And now this is now we're here. So I would say when you're doing a very fine hair or curly hair or a different type of hair texture, the product I use matters a lot. So you need to use a very thick, strong hold edge control, and you don't want to have too much hair. So for this size, I only use 1 strand of the free stretch water wave hair. As I get to the top, I would end up using 1.5. It just depends on how full 1 strand is. So, but for this part of the hair, the first 3 rows or the first 2 rows or the first 2 rows, right? You want to use you don't want to use too much hair, because again, you don't want the hair to overwhelm your client's natural hair, and you want it to hold tight and firm. And I don't start with twists, I start with braids because it's more secure, and it's gonna last way longer for them. Sorry guys, it's a dog. And it's gonna last way longer for them. So again, don't use too much hair to start. Always use always use a small amount of hair, and you can add as you go, but try as much not to add. And my client's hair might stick out every now and then, and no matter what happens, I always go back and make sure that it's twisted tightly, because I want it to be secured. And I know that when passion twist gets older, it's gonna be messy. Now imagine if you have curly hair or fine hair and stuff like that. When it gets older, it might be extra messy. But again, you can just get your hair mousse or hairspray or hair shine, just something to put it on your hair, and it's going to make it less frizzy and things of that sort. As you can see, my client's hair was sticking out. Watch me go back and try to fix it. Even though it means me trying to twist it I'm twisting Senegalese twist, I would make sure I twist that part until I am done with my client natural hair. Brush, trying to get your natural hair to blend with the passion twist hair, and then I just keep twisting. When it happens again, I'm going to go back and fix it. I love to get things done. I want to make sure that before you leave my chair, you're good to go, you're set to go. But again, you're going to know how long the hair is going to last. Depends on what style you're doing. But yes guys, that's all the information for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please do let me know, and leave that in the comment section. And if you've if you've enjoyed this tutorial so far, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
It's Fake Kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls, them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls, them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga, say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that. Where you move that, touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar, now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar, girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere you go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pon me ya, say she give me pon me ya. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I they think so. Any man, them me looking at they think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pon me yard, see me pon me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me pon me yard. Say enter the radar, now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar, girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere you go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's Fake Kills.
We finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them are watching. They are pretty bad man too. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
It's Fake Kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls, them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls, them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga, say she want another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar, now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar, girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere you go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pon me ya, say she give me pon me ya. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I they think so. Any man, them me looking, I they think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a boss in all the things so. Girl, pon me yard, see me pon me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Aye. Man a wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you dey mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel love my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb up like them and watch it. They are pretty about it. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
They know my story.